Hello, my name's Kev from DataStats, and in this video we're going to be quickly showing you how you can improve the performance of your Excel with a little built-in Excel trick. In our context, it's about pulling data in, whether that's using our add-in or using the data tab in Excel, but to be honest, with any Excel workbook that has got linked workbooks and multiple sheets and lots of calculations, you will find that it slows down over time. The reason for this is that every time you make a cell change in the background, Excel is recalculating everything in the background. So when things are unwieldy, when you've got these beasts of spreadsheets going on, what you want to do is come to the formulas section, change, see it's automatic at the moment, which means that it's automatically calculating everything in the background. You can change it to automatic except for data tables, or you just change it to manual. And I've downloaded this mapping table, which took about 5 seconds, I guess, previously. I won't do it beforehand just for time's sakes. And now if we click download, it's done in sub-second. So the other little thing is what a good muscle memory, if you turn this option off, automatic calculation, a good muscle memory thing is the F9 button. And what that does is, if you hit that button, it actually does the calculation for you. So the ninjas I've seen in Excel will be crunching away, doing stuff, and then automatically just hit F9 and get those calculations happening as and when they need them, making them more efficient and having a better time in Excel. I hope that makes sense. Okay, any questions anytime, fire away. Cheers.